The 2018 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, MP3 player, bucket seats, passenger airbag, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.